Hey guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can favorite pins on your Pinterest board. So here I have already opened my Pinterest, and to see your Pinterest board, you just need to click on the people icon or the person icon in here to go to your profile and then go to saved. So here are my Pinterest board, and I'm going to open this one. And to favorite pins, you can just click on the star icon at the bottom of the photo. So let's say I want to favorite this one, and also this one's right here. And after you favorite your pins, you can also filter to see only your favorite pins. So click on the filter icon in here and click on favorite pins, and then the Pinterest will show only your favorite pins in here when you filter. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Thank you.